Hello and welcome back. So today's theme is favorite activities, and I think this goes along a lot with passions, but it doesn't include those things like raising awareness about EDS and stuff like that generally. So I really like that because it once again gives a chance to show who we really are. So one of my major passions is Potter World. Anything Potter related. My kids learned to read from Harry Potter. Most of them. I had a few that didn't, but most of my kids, that was the thing that got them reading. And they went from way behind to way ahead, usually within a half a year or a year because of the Harry Potter books. Because of that passion, I actually live stream 6 days a week for an hour or two, which goes into one of the comments. Someone said that on their video, they can never keep it short because they've got too much to say. Well, honestly, I have a lot to say, but I've learned that for doctors and some people who are really struggling with chronic illnesses, 5 minutes they can do. But when you get too much longer, they really can't do it. And so that's why I shoot for 5 minutes on my videos. If you would like some longer ones, let me know and we can try and figure out a good balance so that we can still meet those who are really needing those short videos, but that we can also do some longer ones if you would like. I like doing that because it's a good chance for me to connect with friends online, to be able to, sometimes I'll go play Wizards Unite with people in my valley, but while I'm live streaming too. And I really enjoy that. It's the social aspect while also having the amazing people in the Potter community, Potterhead community and everything. I also like the live streaming aspect because I don't have to do retakes if something messes up or do editing. I'm not very good at editing, so a lot of my videos are right off the bat or have had retake after retake after retake. This is actually the second time I'm filming this because right in the middle of filming this, my daughter came out and started making a lot of noise, which is normal. I was a parent and I love being a parent, and so I'm not complaining, but it does mean when I'm filming a video, I may have to go over it over and over and over again, or I've got to learn to edit better. So that's one of the things I really enjoy doing, one of my favorite activities. I love reading. I don't have as much time to do that, being a mom, trying to spread awareness, build a business, stuff like that. I love helping people, service of some way or other, especially along things that I'm good at, which is a reason I love this channel. It's a chance for me to share my knowledge that I've gained and help explain things better. I've always wanted to be a nurse from the time I was little, as I've said in some other videos, and so I'm able to use that knowledge that I gained of scientific terms and medical terms and everything else and translate them into terms that most people can understand, which I've heard has been very helpful for people. So I enjoy doing these videos because of that. I enjoy learning. It has become harder for me lately because of the brain fog that comes with EDS, but it's still something I enjoy. I enjoy crocheting and doing things with my hands, but that also is one thing I've had to register and back off on and slowly work on, because a lot of times I will have a bunch of time at one point to work on it, and then I won't have time for a while, and that can cause problems with the muscles because you use different muscles And so you wear them out, and that's when you start dislocating and stuff. So I hope that gives you an idea of my favorite activities. I'd love to hear some of your guys's, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.